If you have an Audi with a hatch and a rear wiper and the fluid has stopped coming out, but you can hear that the pump is running, don't jump to the conclusion that there's a leak in the line somewhere. It might just be that this nozzle is clogged, and this would be on, not, this is a Q5, but it wouldn't just be on a Q5. So what you want to do is just get your finger below here and pull this off. And what you just heard go crashing down wasn't this clip breaking, but the nozzle that I am talking about. So let's see where that just went. It's right there. So the way that this goes, just so that you see, on here, this little nozzle sits on there, and these things sit out here. That's it. So this sits on there, nozzle out of that groove. Now, if you look at this nozzle, get this thing to focus, those are like pinholes and they clog. So two things you could do. You could either run, or both, compressed air through it, air in a can, or if you have a compressor, wonderful. Clean out whatever it is from this way in, shoot it out this way. Or another thing you could do, if you have wire, get one strand of the wire, send it through these little tiny holes. Or a nylon brush, get one bristle, send it through, pop it back on, and it should work. If it doesn't, you may just need a new nozzle. Most likely not. But if you do, I will put a link in the description for a new nozzle, as well as, just in case, if you break this cover, I'll put a new link in that. But this simply just snaps back in place like that. And that's it. I just discovered this. I just had this problem. I just did exactly what I just described, and it's working perfectly. Hope this helps.